I am briefly going to show you how you can use SQL in Python. I have a code already made, so I'm going to use it as an example today. And we just ran the code so you can see the output. And here is the code I wrote using Atom. This takes data from 4 different tables from real data of the Utah Jazz. And notice we import SQLite 3 as SQL for SQL, and we have CSV files. And here are those data sets. They're really small examples, but here they are nonetheless. We have scored goals. These are some data sets just for the purpose of the example. And the players. And positions with position ID and position name. So let's look at this code. Let's walk you through some of the syntax and examples. So if we wanted to know the player with the third highest paid salary, first what we do is we create some tables here. So create. And we're opening up these CSV files right here. For player salary, we will take the first and last name of players and interjoin them with salaries table based on the player ID grouped by the amount of salary. This will create our player salary list full of tuple of player names, first and last, ordered from smallest salary to largest salary. So if we want to know the third highest paid, we do -3 since it goes from smallest to highest. So in this case, it will print out Joe Ingles. Now let's look at this no score players list right here. This will take first and last name again from the players table as P. But this time we will do a left outer join with scored goals where the player IDs match up and where the goal player IDs match up and where the goal is null or missing. That will be the players who did not score in the data that we have. And here we are printing it out just in this little for loop. We print out the first and last name for players that did not score, because the players who did not score will be in that list. And sure enough, here they are. I hope you are familiar with SQL because it's very important for data science. And it's really awesome that you can use a version of it here in Python. Just remember to import SQLite. And there you have it. That is an example of how you can use SQL in Python.